Hello, my friends. This is Leona from MedMate. I've received many inquiries of our customers regarding the durability and performance of our PP raffia cushions. Over the next few months, I'd like to share you the field result of those cushions under various weather conditions, including the rain and sun exposure. I'd like to introduce our cushions first. This cushion is made of PP knitting fabric. The color fastness to light of this fabric is about 500 hours. The grade is 4.5. That cushion is made of PP woven fabric. The color fastness of this fabric is about 80 hours. The grade is 3.5. This one is very normal. It is made of waterproof polyester. It is very normal and also is very suitable for outdoor use. All of them are waterproof. In the following days, we will suffer heavy raining and hot sun shining. I will make another video to show you the result. See you next month. Bye bye.